parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds, and we will be doing a 30-second on, 30-second off structure. So we'll start it off with 30 seconds of back squats, followed by 30 seconds of rest, and then 30 seconds of handstand holding, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Now on the handstand holds, you guys are welcome to do this against a wall or use some kind of assistance to keep you up in a handstand for 30 seconds. Or for an added challenge, you're welcome to do this in space, trying to hold for 30 seconds without the assistance of any wall. And moving on for part B, we have a workout that is 10 rounds for time. We have a 1-minute work and a 1-minute rest schedule. So in 1 minute, we will perform 5 handstand push-ups. We're gonna follow that with 8 power cleans. And then in the remaining time you have left, you will do max rep burpees. Once our minute is up, you will rest 1 minute, and we will repeat that for 10 rounds. If we were going to score this workout, your score would be the total number of burpees you can accomplish across these 10 rounds. All right, everyone, best of luck on these workouts. Get after it. We're excited to hear how you do.
Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'll be taking you through the warm-up. To start it off, we have 5 burpees, followed by 50 butt kicks, 50 high knees, and another set of 5 burpees. Just get that heart moving, just get that blood moving, heart going a little bit. From there we have some mobility. Our first stretch is a figure 4. You can do this either up against a wall or just laying flat on our back. We're gonna follow that up with some up dog, down dog flow just to warm it up a little bit. Then we're gonna go into a squat and fold, stretching out those hammies a little bit while getting below parallel. We're gonna follow that up with some squat and reaches, also hanging out in the bottom of a squat, warming up that upper back. All right, from there we have 3 rounds, starting with 20 air squats, followed by 10 pike push-ups, trying to get some inversion there while warming up the shoulders. And the last movement will be 10 American kettlebell swings. So we're gonna go through that list 3 times. All right, you guys, get after it.